Okay, if you've got a Chevy key fob like this, it's really easy to change the battery. At Tom's Key Company, we can help you make a spare key fob for your vehicle. Come check out our equipment, tomskey.com. So you're going to take your key out, your emergency key blade, put it into the slot here, and give it a little twist. And kind of twisting and prying up until this thing pops out. There you go. Now it's open. That wasn't too hard, was it? You may need a little screwdriver. Might be able to use the tip of this. There. Just like that. Pull it out. And put a new battery in. You don't need to worry, this won't erase the key from your vehicle, so it'll still work just fine after you change the battery. I do recommend having your new battery ready to go before you remove it, so you're not waiting days on end before you replace it. So that's it. Come check us out, tomskey.com. We'll save you tons of money making a spare key or fob for your Chevy or lots of other vehicles.